Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Welcome to 6011 Lower Lake Road on beautiful Cayuga Lake.
This is a right-on-the-water home with over 100 feet of pristine waterfront.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa. Let's take a tour. This is updated open waterfront living at its best, with a great room featuring a new white and bright kitchen with granite countertops and access to the wraparound deck. An expansive dining room with a serving area and a living room with a wall of windows, all with an adjacent updated full bathroom, maintenance-free flooring, and scenic lake views.
Imagine waking up in this waterfront first floor owner suite with a full bathroom and private deck with breathtaking lake views.
The upstairs features 2 additional bedrooms, great for family and friends. This is what the lake lifestyle is all about, with a wraparound deck featuring a dining area and multiple sitting areas, and steps away to over 100 feet of pristine lake-level waterfront with a break wall, a swimming area, and 2 docks.
This rare and private location on Lower Lake Road allows for the authentic lake experience, with breathtaking views to the south, west, and north. This eastside location allows you to bask in the afternoon sun and take in those gorgeous sunsets. Also available is an adjacent Waterview building lot to create a potential family compound. This rare property on Cayuga Lake is in the heart of the Finger Lakes region, with several nearby towns of Auburn, Seneca Falls, Skinny Atlas, Geneva, Canandaigua, and even Ithaca. What a great place to enjoy lake living.
Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 6011 Lower Lake Road on gorgeous Cayuga Lake.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Cheers to living here!